welcome to Rhonda Said. It's me, it's Rhonda. I'm here bright and squirrely on the day that the giveaway goes to the end. It's the end of the giveaway. It's what I'm trying to say awkwardly. And that's for the 1,700 subscriber giveaway that we put up a week ago. And I have the winner to announce. I want to thank everybody who watched the video and entered and who has subscribed to me. It just means so much, and I really appreciate you guys so dearly. You ready for the winner? It's Jen Washauer. That's right. I hope I said that correctly. Washauer. Washauer. Jen, you're the winner. You have 48 hours to get in touch with me, and that is at kittydogma0@gmail.com or on Instagram, Rhonda Said, all one word. I'll have that link typed down below also. And if you do not get in touch with me within 48 hours, a new winner will be chosen. So I want to thank you so much for your support. You guys are awesome. It's almost December! Yay! I'll see you guys real soon. Have a great day or the day of your choice.